With busy schedules and apartment living, your dog's potty habits can be a hassle, but we have the perfect solution to midnight bathroom breaks and traditional floor pee pads. The Pet Loo from PetSafe is a portable indoor-outdoor potty that you can use almost anywhere. Once your dog uses the Pet Loo, the urine drains through the synthetic grass mat and runs down the slanted tray into the removable collection bin. A disposable pee pod tray lines the collection bin and works with the Wee Sponge powder to immediately absorb and solidify your pet's urine into a gel for a mess and odor-free cleanup. To hold the grass mat in place, attach the grass clips to the sides of the Pet Loo. Most dogs adjust quickly to the Pet Loo, but if they need any help, our unique attractant, Skip to My Loo, is a great training tool. The Pet Loo is available in 3 convenient sizes, and a full line of replacement grass mats, pee pod packs, and enzyme cleaners are available for a complete solution. Give your dog the freedom to take his own bathroom break with the Pet Loo Portable Pet Potty.
You are busy and you work hard, but you still want the best for your best friend. So, what's the solution? The answer is Simple Solutions' new all-day premium dog pads. Unlike our competitors who can only absorb 3 cups of liquid, with our amazing InstaShield technology, you get 6 layers of leak-proof protection that can absorb up to 10 cups of liquid, making it the most absorbent pad on the market. And the lavender scent keeps your home smelling fresh after a long day away, which means you can have true peace of mind knowing the only thing greeting you when you come in the door is that wagging tail. Get Simple Solutions' new all-day premium dog